Bright yellow keep-out tape surrounds a body. The death was ruled a homicide. Detectives comb the area for clues and interview suspects. People may lie, but one witness there never does. Insects. Because a corpse is an ecological resource, insects are almost always present. Forensic entomologists study the behaviors and development of bugs there to reconstruct an accurate timeline of the case. Insect evidence has been recognized for centuries. The first recorded account was from 13th century China, where blowflies were observed around the murderer's weapon, revealing traces of blood invisible to the naked eye. Modern forensic entomology emerged in 19th century Europe through systematic studies of insect life cycles on remains. Contemporary practice focuses on three primary steps: collecting specimens from the body and surrounding area, identifying the species and their developmental stage, and estimating the post-mortem interval, PMI, or time after death, using established growth data. Blowflies and flesh flies are typically the first insects to come to the corpse, usually arriving within minutes to hours by following chemical cues. They lay their eggs, which hatch into larvae that go through three distinct instar stages before pupating. These developmental stages help entomologists estimate how long the young flies have been growing for, and consequently the time of death. Of course, other variables must be accounted for to avoid errors. Temperature affects development rate. Physical barriers such as plastic bags or indoor confinement may delay insect access, and drugs or toxins in the body can accelerate or inhibit larval growth. For bodies that have been dead for longer periods, months or even years, investigators rely on species succession. For instance, cheese skippers will appear weeks or months later once the body's protein starts fermenting. Some beetles also arrive in stages following to prey on early colonizers. Each successional stage provides an additional temporal marker. Real cases demonstrate the value of this practice. In 1986, blowfly larvae helped estimate a 7-day PMI in the murder of a woman named Sylvia Hunt, narrowing the suspect pool. In 2018, Kirsten Lobato was exonerated when the absence of diurnal blowflies from the nighttime crime scene photos proved that the crime occurred later than the prosecution claimed. In summary, forensic entomology provides a robust, biologically grounded framework for clarifying uncertain aspects of legal cases.